What is this? And why is it 1 cent? Hold on. Hold on. It's a train. This legitimately looks pretty fun. I'm a child. I'm a small Oh my gosh. I see where the challenge of the game comes in. I think I see that. Okay, I get it. I get it. It's difficult. Alright, they've already sold me. 1 cent? Can we let's redeem 1 point for that. Boom. Okay, I'm sorry, but Blazing Beaks just looks way too appealing. It's ducks, and they have guns. That's... interesting. I didn't hit the bus. Oh shoot. Dang bus. Some nice saxophone. Also, I did it. Okay, what am I? Where's the challenge here? Oh! Okay. Ugh! My fingers are ready. A has to stop, and then A can continue. We got a rhythm going. Oh, we have to get all the people. Oh my gosh! Well... Oh, I can change it with that. Okay. Change it back. Okay, and then we have to change it for when the A train comes by. And I think we got a rhythm. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we got a rhythm going. Let's go. Easy. I wasn't... I would, but don't have any friends. Okay, then it'll avoid that. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Alright, set my controller down. We're done. 40 out of 30, would you look at that? Okay, it's up. We'll have B go up there, and A stay going this way. Okay. We have it go up there, it comes back around, it goes to the red one, then goes to the blue one. Oh wait, the color shows me which one it has to go to. Oh. Okay, then B has to go there. Okay, I see. I just stopped B to be safe. I got a nice rhythm. Easy. This is really fun. I'm having too much fun with this game. I was thinking just earlier, I need a game that I'm like good at, but not too good at. And, well, would you look at that? I got a train. Who would have guessed? Oh, it's got like the country and everything. Denmark 2016. Great. 1938. Old boy. Okay, we're going to the next world. Okay, so They're cars. Why? Why? I stopped and then I went just to be safe. Okay, there's a car going in and a bus going in. Oh, and there's a car coming out. And the other car and the bus. And once they're back in, I don't think any other cars went in the tunnel. We need 60? You know what? I'm just gonna go. Okay. Scary. But we're at 48. 18 seconds. Okay, we got this. Easy! We got it! Where is it coming out? Okay. I think this one goes to red. Easy. Ah, another train, another train, another train. Okay, we're gonna send you to red. So you're going to blue, and you're going to red. There's another one. I need to get 70, but I think I'm just gonna have the other train sit there. Last level, 100 seconds to get 100 people. Ooh, I'm not a fan of this one. 2? That's right. Switch back. Switch it again. 3, 4, 3, 4, 2. Okay, you're gonna want to go to 1. You're going to 3. 3. I'm at 3. Ooh. You're both going to 3 now. The bus is just scary. Okay, 4. You're going to 3. Okay. I've never used that yet. Okay, purple. Okay, so we're just swapping. Okay. We need 4. And then we're gonna want 3 when it goes back around. And then 1 for this one. And that's it. Game! Easy clap. Okay, this game was fun. I was just thinking I needed something that was difficult, but not difficult to the point where, like, I could barely play it. And since this is multiplayer, that's even better. So, TVG Sud Est, SUDEST, I guess. France, 1981. Definitely expect to see more of this in the future.